In this video, we'll show you how to delete a customer from your website. First, log in as administrator. From your main navigation, select Reports and then Customers. You can use the search form in the Manage menu to locate the customer. By default, customers most recently registered will be shown first. When you have found the customer, click on the Manage menu and then on Delete. This will open up a modal window that provides you with more information about the process. Enter the date that you want the customer's details to be deleted in the format shown, and then click the Delete button. And that's it, you now know how to delete a customer from your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.